Just make sure before you begin, battery or if it's a gas powered one, pull a spark plug so there's no chance of it starting by accident. Let's go ahead and carefully get this off. It's pretty dull. Haven't sharpened it in a few months. Got a few tiny little nicks and imperfections. So the flat side of the blade, you're going to put that in there on the plastic backing, and the chamfered blade side will be rubbing against the sharpening stone. So I'll do this for about 10 or 15 seconds, stop and check my work, feel with my finger against the blade how sharp it's getting, and then I'll just go ahead and go on the other side and try to do the same thing about relatively the same amount of time. So if you take off too much on one side, it can leave your blade out of balance, and we'll show you how to check that in a little bit. Here's the blade balancing tool. Just put that on a flat surface and then try to see how balanced the blade is. If it's coming towards the ground more, it means it's heavier, so you just need to take a little bit more off and sharpen it again. And when you have your deck on the side, you may as well take the opportunity to clean it up, get all the dried up grass blades that were stuck on there for months and months, caked on. And then once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and reassemble. Try to remember step by step how you took the blade off and then reverse those steps and put it back on. And I just hand tighten mine. You can use a torque wrench if you'd like, but I've never really needed to do that. I just do it like this and it's worked well for me.